Hi everyone, I am back with a very quick tutorial and AliExpress product review. It is a little gem of a find that I found on AliExpress and I love it. It's actually this tag die set, and you've got all these little bits and pieces, but to be honest with you, I've only used 3 of the pieces, so you get, let me just show you. I've forgotten how much it actually was, but it was, I think it was under, I'm going to say under £1.50, but I will put it in the description. But to be honest with you, I absolutely love it. It has, oh my gosh, quite a lot of pieces with it. So you've got your actual tag, you've got a bit to cut out, a bit for the inside, to do a little sort of label bit, little sort of patterned bit, a little banner with little hearts that you fold over the top of your page. It has also this great, I love this, and I actually have been using this on other tags as well. It's just a circle that folds in half with the holes in, and then it has a flower, another flower, and a little birdie, I think that is. A little birdie? I think that's a little bird. But those are all the bits that you get with it. But I've only used, I'm only using 3 of the pieces on this project. So let me, oh my mat is mucky. Right, so I have already cut out these. I've cut out the tag. I've used some old book pages and cut out the inside bit, and also I've cut out the circles for the tag bit. So let me show you. We're also going to use my word punch board, words from that. And if you haven't seen the We Are Memory Keepers word punch board, you are missing out. Go back on my last couple of videos to see it, which makes these absolutely amazing words. I already have some cut out here ready to use, so I'm going to use those today to save time on the video. I've also got some a book, oh yeah, what do you call it, not a book, a paper pad, which I picked up for £1 from I can't remember, Poundland maybe. Oh my gosh, my brain's up with me. This was on one of my videos, but yeah, it was only £1. So let me show you how I've made these. So all we need to do is I'm going to distress the edges of these just to give it a lovely old look. These are really, really quick to make, and I love them. I love the shape, and I love this the circle bit is amazing. I mean, you can just cut out a circle, I know, and do it, but I just think it makes it so much easier. These are so cool. It's a great little die set, I must be honest. I love it. Right, so that is that. And really, it takes no time at all. I have also pulled out some stickers from one of the AliExpress sticker packs, the flower one. I'll also put that in the description with the die, so that if you want to get them, you can. And all we're going to do is, I don't think I did both sides, did I? So firstly, what I'm going to do is get my Fabri-Tac and just glue on the circle piece. Oh, I didn't leave it on its side. I picked it up because I was doing another tutorial, like a dingbat. And I'm just going to put that on the end here. Oops. Just shove it over a little bit. Like that. And it's moved, hasn't it? It would do, there you go. So that's that. And we're just going to glue that down. So where's my just normal glue because we don't need to use Fabri-Tac on this. And this is just an old book page. And you could sew them on if you wanted to. Charlie's on the floor because he got kicked off the table and he's actually licking my foot. Little monkey. That tickles, Charles. Okay, so we're just going to pop that down on there. And what I did was I just took one of these stickers. We're going to use one of these stickers, like, use that one, or should we use a bigger one? Quite like that one. Right, okay, now I think my hardest bit is to actually get these bits off with these nails. So we might be here a while. Oh, come on, you silly thing. Told you it might be here a while. There, oh, I'm sure if you haven't got nails like me, it will probably be a little bit easier than what I make it look. Oh, come on. We are not going to be defeated. I promise you. Oh my goodness me, I can't get it off. Right. It's not playing ball. I will get this off. I will. You might want to make a cup of tea. Oh, have I got it? Have I got it? Right, I'm so sorry about that. I did manage to get it off in the end. I do not know what happened there. We had a moment. I really didn't think it was going to come off. It was just me. My nails are a bit silly when it comes to fiddly things like this. Oh, don't curl on me. Right, so what we're going to do is just put that on there. Oh, without ripping it. I just don't want it to curl. Because we've got, that's it. We've done it, she says. Right. Oh, that one's gone off the thing a little bit. Doesn't matter. We'll just fold that around. So we've got that on there. I'm just going to just distress it slightly like that. And then all I'm going to do is just get a bit of scrapbook paper, quite like this. Should we do a butterfly? Maybe one of these. Let's try a bit of this, because I did a big butterfly on the other one. I want it to look a little bit different, so I'm just going to rip a piece to go on there. Do you think that's too fussy though? Might be a bit fussy. A bit fussy, she says. I quite like this one actually. Look, I've changed my mind. Let's do that's why we end up with lots of scraps, because we change our mind. Let's rip this down here, and I'm just going to distress the edges of this like that, and maybe that's too big. Let's just like that. That's it. Just get rid of these little bits. I'm going to keep hold of that bit and get my glue stick because we don't need too much. Ooh. Oh my goodness me, that slipped right off my hand. Oh, Channelle, I am just a calamity waiting to happen. So we're going to pop that down on there. And then I think I'm going to use a little bit of lace or something, if I can find my lace box. Where is my lace box? What? Do you know where it is? Because I don't. Are you hiding it? Oh, it's there. Look. It's right under my nose. Oh, what? So, let's just find a little snippet of something to go on here. Oh, there's a nice little bit there, look. Let's just pull out some of these little... Should have done this before, shouldn't I, really? Let's just pull out a couple of little bits and we'll see what we've got. Ow, ricked my neck then. Right, okay, let's... Oh, look. I quite like that on the bottom, actually. There you go. Straight away, we found something. I didn't even need all those bits out, Channelle. So what I'm going to do is just put them on the bottoms. Just give it a little bit of a grubby look. And let's put some Fabri-Tac on there. Oh, I hope you can't hear my stomach grumbling. There you go. And that's like that. And then what we're going to do is grab these, one of these words. So, how about life? No, I don't like that colour on their face. Oh, that's a nice one. Should we do face? I just need to find some chocolate card now. I had some oddments somewhere, and I bet you I cannot find them. Actually, this will do. Wait, oh, come on. I've got it. Oh. Right, I've just got this. This will work. This will work just fine. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to cut a little bit. Just cut that little bit off. Stick that there. And all I'm going to do is just distress this a little bit. And put some glue on it. Oh, this might be a little bit... I should have used my other glue, shouldn't I, really? It's a bit of an overkill with Fabri-Tac. Right, okay. And just going to stick this down in the corner like that. I always make things look more complicated than what they are. They're not complicated. It's me, honestly. And then we're just going to cut that out like that to keep that there for another one. And then with my distress ink, give it a little bit more distress there. And then we can put that on there like that. Oh, look, doesn't that look lovely? Oh, I love it. See how quick these are to make. They are really fast. I love this die set. I know you can do it with any tag die that you have, but I just Thought it was very inexpensive and thought I would share it with you. So that's that. And then I just need a bit of oh, where are you? Right, okay, here we go. I ripped up some, I found an old silk blouse of mine and I didn't wear it because it just creases up too much and I don't like ironing, I really don't. So I ripped it up, and so I've got some silk pieces here for the tags, which I love silk. I do love silk, I must admit. And all you have to do just to distress it a little bit is just to run your distress tool down that like that, and we're just going to thread that through there. And we don't need all of it. I'm just going to cut it there. And pop that. Just tie a knot in it, that's all I've done. And there you have, look at these tags. Aren't they just darling? Look at them. Yes, my table's a mess. I've cut out loads so I can get loads made. I've already done my words. So look at that. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, I just love them. Big thumbs up to this AliExpress die set. Like I said, I don't know, I think it was £1 something. I'm sure it was under £1.50. It may have even been less, but I'll put this in the description below, and also the flower stickers as well. And this is the We Are Memory Keepers word punch, but you can use any word on there, or you could have left it without the word. It still looks great. So I hope you've enjoyed this very quick review and tutorial. Loving these tags, need to make more. Love them, love them, love them. And it's a great way to use your scraps up, don't forget. So, right, I'm going off for now, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.